Symbolism. Its ubiquitous nature plays an important role in the way we carry out our everyday lives. Now let's skip the semantics and get to the good stuff. What is symbolism? Symbolism is a person, place, action, word or thing that represents something other than itself. This particular symbol holds a meaning which is totally subjective to the reader's circumstances. Pretty neat, huh? Now let's go over some examples of symbolism you might remember from WA6 class. In Breakfast at Tiffany's, Holly gives the narrator an antique bird cage for Christmas, but Holly never wants to feel caged in herself. The bird cage represents the confinement she fights so hard against. Now let's take a look at Oedipus Rex. Oedipus' parents received a prophecy saying that he would one day kill his father and speedily poop his mother. Oedipus's scarred feet highlight the fact that he has been marked for suffering from the moment of his birth. Ha ha ha. How pathetic. Speaking of pathetic, let's go over some examples of literature you will not be reading for WA6 class. In The Great Gatsby, the single green light on Daisy's dock that Gatsby creepily gazes at from his own house across the water, represents the unattainable dream, the dream that must have seemed so close that he could hardly fail to grasp it. In Herman Melville's Moby Dick, we find yet another example of symbolism. When the Pequod needs a life buoy, Pequod uses his coffin for the job. For Ishmael, the coffin represents life from death, because the coffin, which usually represents death, saves his life. Now let's take a gander at an example of good old symbolism from a handy-dandy video. Pay close attention for any symbols, hint hint.
Lock it up. Who are you? Light it up.
Impossible. Keep her close. He'll come for her.
As you can see, the bat symbol, which stands for justice, brings hope to the people of Gotham while instilling fear in the mind of Bane, the Batman's arch-foe. Well, that's it for symbolism. Thank you for watching, and have a pleasant day.